Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of fragrances with a spotlight on one of the best from Elizabeth & James. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to unravel the captivating essence of Elizabeth James' Nirvana Bourbon Eau de Parfum Rollerball. Now, before we delve into the aromatic journey of this fragrance, let's take a moment to appreciate its sheer brilliance. As connoisseurs of fine scents, we understand the importance of finding that perfect balance between allure and sophistication. And let me tell you, folks, Nirvana Bourbon hits the nail on the head. Feast your eyes on this sleek rollerball, perfectly sized for on-the-go indulgence. With a tantalizing blend of sultry vanilla bourbon, robust oakwood, and a hint of tuberose, this fragrance exudes confidence and allure like no other. What sets this fragrance apart, you ask? Well, besides its impeccable scent profile, Nirvana Bourbon boasts a few features that elevate it to a league of its own. First up, its travel-friendly design makes it a must-have for jet-setters and busy bees alike. Say goodbye to bulky bottles and hello to discreet, on-the-go fragrance applications. Let's talk fragrance notes, shall we? Prepare your senses for a symphony of vanilla bourbon, tuberose, and oakwood. Picture yourself enveloped in a warm embrace of seduction and sophistication with every spritz. Trust me, folks, it's an olfactory experience like no other. Now, you might be wondering, where can I get my hands on this gem? Fear not, dear viewers, for Nirvana Bourbon is just a click away. Whether you're treating yourself or surprising a loved one, this fragrance is sure to delight. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of Elizabeth James' Nirvana Bourbon Eau de Parfum Rollerball. With its intoxicating blend of notes and travel-friendly design, it's no wonder why this fragrance reigns supreme. So go ahead, indulge your senses and elevate your fragrance game with Nirvana Bourbon. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.